Hey, my name's James Neville Taylor, and since trying to take my own life back in 2017, I've become a top 1% earner online. But more importantly, I've helped hundreds of others make hundreds of thousands online and make their very first sales online ever, even after trying for years. And if you're watching this right now, then I know you're looking for something different, something that works. And back in 2017, after I took an overdose, I jumped into the digital world with both feet. I saw so much hype, so many scams, and so many false promises. It made me sick. I fell prey to a few, wasting my money on things that didn't work, wasting money I didn't have on things I thought were going to bring results, but then never did. Maybe you have too. Let's face it, if you're watching this video right now, this probably isn't your first rodeo. And I want to set the record straight right now and tell you that it's not your fault. There's so many vultures out there waiting for some unsuspecting newbies to come along with hope in their hearts and a handful of cash. It makes me sick. And that's why I've dedicated my time and energy to helping as many people as possible make their first dollars online and beyond. And that is why I put together this system and training together for free. What most people would charge you hundreds of dollars for, I'm giving you for free. The system, the emails, the training, all of it at the end of a few simple steps. And this is the first step. The first step is the belief in yourself. Belief that you can do this. Because without that, all the next steps are going to be worthless to you. And I never thought I would amount to anything. I never thought that I would be where I am today. I thought I was worthless. I never thought I would be a 1% earner, 7-figure digital marketer, international speaker, and inspiration to thousands of people like I am today. When I was staring down the bottom of a bottle of pills a few short years ago. Yet, here we are. And it all started with a belief in myself, which set a driving force in motion to push me to where I am today. And I want to ignite that same spark inside you that ignited inside me a few years ago. Because of that driving force, I became a top earner online in near record time. I managed to travel the world and experience things I never thought I would. I even got invited to speak on a private yacht in Cancun. I became an international speaker in 9 different countries across 3 continents, regularly earned thousands of dollars per day profit, won multiple competitions for different launches, summits and products, won contests against people who have literally been in this space for decades, and shared my story from suicide to success with thousands of people, gave people hope, and saved some lives from suicide. And I now have a $700,000 per year business, most of which is now recurring and profit with no support or fulfillment, which allows me to travel the world, work from anywhere, and truly live life on my terms. And I'm not telling you this to impress you, but rather to impress upon you that this is real and this is possible, even from the depths of despair. And I've not only helped myself, but helped dozens of others build their businesses and 10 times their sales in a short amount of time. And this is the beauty of affiliate marketing. And I want to point out right now, because I know you're thinking it, none of this has been anything to do with MLM or recruiting. I have not had to do sales. I've not had to do fulfillment or inventory or any of that other icky stuff. In fact, the business model I discovered and work in is by far the easiest and most freeing, because there is no inventory, there is no stock, support, upkeep or anything. And honestly, it is the most freeing and simple business model in the world. Right now, I can literally stop working, close my laptop, and not work another single hour this year. And I will still have more than $50,000 a month coming in on autopilot because of the work I've done prior. Again, with no support, no upkeep or stock, and nothing to worry about. Tell me another business model that allows you to do that. There isn't one. Can you imagine that? Can you imagine this? To be able to just take time off to be with a loved one and not have to worry about it. At the drop of a hat, be able to support and help those you care about, help those around you, and not have to worry about bills, fulfillment, support, and other business stresses. I personally have been able to spend way more time with my family. I've been able to get my mum the medical care that she needs to recover and give her the luxuries to enjoy the recovery time too. Maybe family isn't your motivation. Maybe you want to travel like I have, experience different cultures, see new sights, experience new experiences. Or maybe You simply just want to be free. Free of the time constraints. Free of a regular job. Free of a boss looking over your shoulder, telling you what to do. Free from that pesky alarm clock telling you when you have to get up and what you have to do to survive. What would that be worth to you? Let me tell you right now, it's freaking priceless. And with that belief in yourself, the same belief I managed to find a few short years ago, you can do the same. Now, it's really important to note, okay, that this isn't going to happen overnight. Okay, I didn't become an overnight success, and apart from gambling with your money and winning the lotto, no one else has either. But what I have done is shortcut the time it takes to learn and become successful with a brand new system and a brand new technology and a full training that you can access in a few moments for free. You get some other results below, and you're going to see many more results in the following steps as well. Now, you can see here one of my awards for surpassing 200,000 in commissions for just one company. I'm the #1 affiliate of all time for that company, and that's one of the income streams inside the Rapid Profit Machine. And I rank higher than more than 10,000. I don't think you would be here if it was the latter, so please click the button below to get started, and I will see you in the next step.